Click Sales Platform to expand the menu. Following this, click on BigCommerce to integrate your store. From here, click the New Record button to add BigCommerce Store. Enter your store name in the name field to identify your BigCommerce store. After that, enter your BigCommerce client ID, access token, and store ID. Next, I will show you how to find them. Log into your BigCommerce store and go to Settings to configure your store's essential settings. Then click on Store-level API accounts to create specific permissions for app integrations. Afterwards, enter a descriptive name for your API in this field. Here, choose Modify to grant permissions for updating content. Choose Modify to grant permissions for updating checkout content. Click Modify in Customers section. Select Login in Customer Login. Select Modify in Information and Settings. Now select Modify in Marketing. Select Modify in Orders. Select Modify in Order Transactions. Select Create in Create Payments. Select Read Only and Get Payment Methods. Select Modify in Stored Payment Instruments. Select Modify in Products. Now, select Modify in Themes. Select Modify in Carts. Select Modify in Checkouts. Select Modify in Sites and Routes. Select Modify in Channel Settings. Select Modify in Channel Listings. Select Manage in Storefront API Tokens. Select Manage in Storefront API Customer Impersonation Tokens. Next, select Read Only in Store Logs. Select Modify in Store Locations. Select Modify in Store Inventory. Select Modify in Fulfillment Methods. Select Modify in Order Fulfillment. Select Manage in Metafield Ownership. Select Full in Metafields Access. Next, click the Save button to apply and confirm all permission settings changes. Once completed, a modal will appear displaying all the required credentials, which you will need later. So save those, as those will not be accessible later. Copy the client ID credential. Paste the client ID here. Copy the access token. Paste the access token here. Enter your unique store ID in the store ID field to complete setup. Here's how you can find it. To get the store ID, visit your BigCommerce store. Copy the sequence between store and .mybigcommerce that appears in the BigCommerce store URL. Paste the store ID here. To wrap things up, click the Submit button to add your BigCommerce store. Afterwards, click Store-level API accounts to verify permissions are set up properly. Next, click the account name to view its scopes and active webhooks. Verify if these webhooks are active. Visit your BigCommerce store to set up instant download via email. Next up, click the Marketing menu to access your store's marketing tools and campaigns. Then click on Transactional Emails. Next up, click on Order Email. Next up, click Add New to create a custom email template field. Next, enter phrase name. In this text field, you can get it in our documentation page. Now, enter the below phrase value. You can get it from our documentation page. Next, click the Save button to preserve your email template changes. Copy this code. You can find it in our documentation by going to Sales Platform Integration, then BigCommerce, then Enable Instant Download via Transactional Emails. Click the Code tab to view and edit the email template source code. Then paste the following block of code directly under the first table tag. Now click Save button to complete the instant download process. Click the three-dot menu icon to see options for the store. Click the Edit option to modify the selected store's name. Click the Submit button to save the new name. Click the three-dot menu again. Sometimes, a connected store may stop updating properly due to issues such as expired access, tokens, revoked permissions, webhook, or API errors, temporary connection failures. In these cases, sellers don't need to delete the store or perform any complicated steps. They can simply use the Reconnect Store option to quickly and safely restore the connection, ensuring the store updates correctly again. After clicking Reconnect Store, you will see the credentials details. If necessary, modify, and then click the Submit button to Reconnect Store. Again, click the three-dot menu. From here, click Active or Inactive to change the store status. Click the Active or Inactive button to confirm the status. Click the three-dot menu again. Click Delete to remove the store from your system. Click the Delete button to confirm and permanently remove this store. Click the Product List tab to view and manage your product inventory. Click the three-dot menu. Click the Config option to access detailed product configuration settings. Click the Select Template dropdown to choose your preferred template option. Now click the Select Inventory dropdown to choose your desired inventory option. Then, choose your desired active or inactive status from the dropdown. Afterwards, click the Submit button to save your template, inventory, and status settings. Click the three-dot menu again. Click on View. Here you can edit product details, basic product details, edit product name, price, and other basic information. Stock synchronization, enable automatic stock syncing. Bonus settings, configure bonus quantities and bonus codes. Selling restrictions, limit purchase quantity, order amount, or customer access.